వార్తలకు వెళితే సిడబ్ల్యూసీ సమావేశానికి సంబంధించి ఏఐసీసీ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్ మీడియాతో అడ్రస్ చేస్తున్నారు. మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Conduct program. The PCC will set up control rooms in each state, and state level trainers will be given 2-3 days training in the AICC. They will further training designated people at district and booth level. CWC also discussed the organization election schedule in detail. The CWC has approved to conduct the organization election in the following schedule. Enrollment of members for organization election on payment of ₹5 each start from 1st November. That is, it will start on 1st November 2021 to 31st March 2022. Massive membership campaign. DCC shall publish preliminary list of members together with the list of eligible contestants for participation of the election enrolled up to 31st March. That is before 15th April 2022. That means 1st April 2022 to 15th April 2022. This is preliminary list publication of the list of eligible contestants and primary members. Election of president and executive of primary committees or primary committees, booth committees and block committees, and election of block president and executive committees and one member of PCC by block committee from 16th April 2022 to 31st May 2022. Election of president, vice president, treasurer and executive committee of DCC 1st June 2022 to 20th July 2022. Election of PCC president, vice president, treasurer and PCC executive and AICC members by the PCC general body 21st July 2022 to 20th August 2022. Then election of the AICC president 21st August 2022 to 20th September 2022. 21st August 2022 to 20th September 2022. Election of CWC members and other bodies by the AICC members. During the plenary session, date to be announced later, preferably in the month of September, October. This is the election schedule. We already passed 3 resolutions. First of all, resolution on the political situations. The Congress Working Committee has reviewed the political situation in the country. The CWC is deeply distressed to note the multiple challenges that face the country and the all-round failure of the Modi government in dealing with these challenges. In fact, the catastrophic policies of the Modi government have exacerbated the situation and have placed enormous burdens on the people of the country. CWC, alarmed by the rapid deterioration in the security of the country, both external and internal. Nearly 18 months after the clashes in Ladakh, in which 20 soldiers lost their lives, Chinese troops continue to be in occupation of Indian territory. Nor have we been able to recover our old positions. The aggressive posture of China and unabated infiltration by Pakistan have resulted in a dramatic deterioration of the security of Jammu and Kashmir. After the changes in the regime in Afghanistan and the takeover by the Taliban, the situation is even graver, but the government remains oblivious or in deep slumber. Terrorist attacks have increased and both security forces and innocent citizens have lost their lives. The administration of JNK, or whatever goes in the names of administration, is incompetent, paralyzed and in a shambles. The way forward is restoration of full statehood and holding democratic elections. In other parts of the country, notably in Assam, Nagaland and Mizoram, there are growing threats to security. Interstate disputes have flared up, suddenly driving fear in the minds of the people living in the border villages. The Naga peace talks have suffered a serious setback due to the ham-handed approach of the Modi government. Drug trafficking has assumed monstrous proportions. The seizure of 3,000 kgs of heroin at Adani Port, Gujarat, following reports of another large consignment that has successfully imported into India, give an indication of the huge dimensions of the illegal trade that seems to have flourished.
కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్ ప్రశ్న అడ్రస్ చేశారు. సిడబ్ల్యూసీ సమావేశం హాట్ గా సాగింది. అధ్యక్ష బాధ్యతలు తీసుకోవడానికి రాహుల్ గాంధీ ఆలోచిస్తా ఉన్నారని